Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ishika. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be answering to your weird questions. And I'm really excited because I really like to make these sit down type of videos and just talk. So yeah, I'm really excited. And one more thing, I didn't upload a video last week because I just wasn't feeling like making a video. A lot has been going on. So yeah, and I am sorry for that, and let's get on with the video. So the first question is, would you rather choose being sad plus rich or happy plus poor all your life? I think I wanna be happy plus poor because I know everybody knows how it feels to be sad, and I don't think I want to be sad all my life, so I'll just be happy if that means I'll be poor. Yeah. So the next question is, Maggie with sauce or sandwich with chocolate? No. Nobody can mess with Maggie, so no. Sandwich with chocolate any day over sauce in Maggie. Would you rather give up every drink except water or can consume every drink with a little bit of pee in it? This question was in All the Boys I've Loved Before, and I think I'll stick with water. I'm not really much of a drinker, even soft drinks, I don't really drink soft drinks, so yeah, I'll go with just water. I don't want to drink tea. Ever participated in fancy dress competition? If yes, please show some of the picture. Yes, I have. The picture I'm about to show is not from like a school fancy dress competition because when I was young, I used to live in a society where they used to like keep competitions for children, like dance competitions and stuff like that. It was really fun, and I am the middle one, the little one, and I am Krishna. I don't know why my mother didn't make me Radha, but I am Krishna, as you can see. And that's my brother, who is Shiv Bhagwan, and that's my sister, who is a pari. I don't know why I wasn't the pari, but never mind. If you were a chair, who would you like to sit on? Sit on you. Oh, yeah. If you were a chair, who would you like to sit on you? David Dobrik, because some of you might know that I am a really big fan of David Dobrik, so I just want David Dobrik to sit on me if I were a chair. If you had to remove one color from the world forever, which would it be? I can never remove a color from the world. I mean, all the colors are beautiful, and how can you remove a color? If I had to answer, I think brown. I don't know why brown is a color. Brown. But I don't want to remove it, but if I had to answer, then I'll say brown. If TikTok comes back, will you keep making reels or will you switch to TikTok? I will switch to TikTok obviously, but I will keep making reels because reels is also a lot of fun, and because of making reels my Instagram is growing, and I'm just very happy for that, so I don't want to jeopardize that, so yeah, I'll be making reels too. Do you have stretch marks? If yes, how do you deal with them? Of course I have stretch marks, and I don't deal with them. Why do you have to deal with them? I think you are good as you are, and you don't have to deal with stuff or hide the way you look or cover your marks. I don't do that, and I don't think you should too, because you should love your body how it is. That's natural, and yeah, if you don't learn to love yourself, how do you expect others to love you? So yeah, love yourself. That also includes your body. Love your body. Yeah. Have you ever argued even when you knew you were wrong? Yes, I have. Yes, I have, but I don't argue for a long time. If I know that I'm wrong, then I don't argue for a long time. I just first argue to see if they agree what I have to say, and if they don't, if I know that they're never gonna agree, then I just say, okay, I'm sorry, whatever. And yeah. Ever also, I've argued a lot in Among Us when I know I'm the imposter, but still, you know, that's the point of the game. Ever eaten the food which you dropped? Yes, a lot of times, you know, when you eat like Maggie and a little, you know, noodle drops on the table and you just pick it up and eat it. So dropped on the floor also I've eaten. Yeah, I have. Have you ever touched your nose with your toe? Yes, I have. See, I can. Can you touch your nose with your tongue? No, I can't either. Okay, I look ugly, so I'm not gonna do that. Why is it when you smell your underarms you feel satisfied and disgusted at the same time? I don't know. Even I do it, I'm not gonna lie, I do it too. I know that's disgusting, but yeah, I don't know how to answer this question because this is true. You feel satisfied and disgusted at the same time. I don't know, I think it's the odor of your body and I don't know, I just can't explain the situation. Aside from necessities, what one thing could you not go a day without? Also love your videos. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate, you know, you guys appreciating us for our efforts. I know a lot of creators who put a lot more efforts than me, and I just want to tell you that if you appreciate other creators, it makes their day, because just appreciate people. Yeah, one thing I can't go without, aside from necessities, meeting my friends or talking to my friends, because I enjoy being around my friends a lot, so I just want to keep them around me and talk to them every single day. So yeah, this is what I can't live without, talking to my friends. Do you have any secret talents? Yes, I do. Can I show you? This isn't a secret. Maybe it is. I can do this. Wait, I don't think there's enough space. I'll show you. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So that was my secret talent. Do you wash your hands after taking a shower? What? I don't wash my hands after taking a shower. Isn't that the whole point of taking a shower, that you have to clean your body? Why would you? Do people do that? I don't know. I don't do that. No, I don't wash my hands after taking a shower. I don't see the point of this question. So that was it for today, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment any other weird question that you have, and I'll pakka answer. I'm so sorry, that was the lightning. I don't know if you heard it or not, but it was super loud, super loud. So yeah, comment down below any other weird question that you have, and I'll answer to your comment pakka. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye. And yeah, also yeah, more than 50% of you guys who watch my video haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. So what the hell? I mean, what's the problem? Just subscribe, yeah. So yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.